Understanding the science behind yawning involves exploring its physiological triggers and potential functions. Here's an explanation structured into 8 to 10 short paragraphs. Definition and commonality. Yawning is a reflexive behavior characterized by involuntary opening of the mouth, deep inhalation, and stretching of the jaw muscles. It is a common phenomenon observed not only in humans but also in many vertebrate species, suggesting its evolutionary significance. Physiological triggers. Yawning can be triggered by various factors, including tiredness, boredom, drowsiness, and even seeing or hearing others yawn. The exact neurological mechanisms that initiate a yawn are not fully understood but involve regions of the brain responsible for regulating arousal and sleep-wake transitions. Oxygen regulation hypothesis. One prominent theory suggests that yawning plays a role in regulating oxygen and carbon dioxide levels in the body. Yawning involves a deep inhalation that may help increase oxygen intake and expel excess carbon dioxide, potentially aiding in maintaining physiological balance. Brain cooling theory. Another hypothesis proposes that yawning helps cool the brain. Studies indicate that yawning is more frequent during transitions between sleep and wakefulness when brain temperature changes occur. The deep inhalation during yawning may facilitate cooling of cerebral blood flow, enhancing alertness and cognitive function. Social contagion and empathy. Yawning is known to be contagious, often triggered by observing or hearing others yawn. This phenomenon suggests a social component to yawning, possibly related to empathy and social bonding. Research indicates that individuals with higher empathy levels are more susceptible to contagious yawning. Developmental and evolutionary perspectives. Yawning appears early in human development, even observed in fetuses and newborns. Its widespread occurrence across species suggests an evolutionary adaptation, potentially serving multiple physiological and social functions beneficial for survival and communication. Clinical implications. Excessive yawning or yawning that interferes with daily activities can be indicative of underlying medical conditions such as sleep disorders, neurological disorders, or medication side effects. Persistent yawning beyond typical contexts warrants medical evaluation to rule out potential health concerns. Cultural and contextual variations. Yawning norms and interpretations vary across cultures and contexts. In some cultures, yawning is considered rude or disrespectful, while in others, it may signify boredom or tiredness. Understanding cultural differences can provide insights into the social meanings and perceptions of yawning. Practical considerations. While occasional yawning is a natural physiological response, adopting healthy sleep habits, managing stress levels, and ensuring adequate physical activity can help reduce excessive yawning. Paying attention to environmental factors such as temperature and air quality may also mitigate yawning triggers. Conclusion. Yawning remains a fascinating yet multifaceted behavior with diverse physiological, social, and cultural dimensions. Exploring its scientific underpinnings enhances our understanding of human biology and behavior, highlighting its potential roles in maintaining physiological balance, social cohesion, and cognitive function. This structured overview provides a comprehensive look into the science behind yawning, encompassing its triggers, functions, and broader implications in human and animal behavior.